Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Settings, don't waste time. First, open Settings, tap General Management, then on Screen Keyboard. Once there, choose Samsung Keyboard. This is the only place the system allows per keyboard sound control. You'll see sound and vibration or keyboard feedback. Tap it. Now you're ready to change the specific control that produces the key click noises. Make sure you're in the Samsung Keyboard section, not a third-party keyboard, because those settings live elsewhere and won't affect Samsung's sounds. Once inside Sound and Vibration, locate the key tap sounds, sometimes labeled key press sound. Toggle key tap sounds OFF with a single tap, you'll hear an immediate difference. If you want silence plus no vibration, switch off haptic feedback or vibration on key press 2. Doing both ensures no audible click or hump when typing. After toggling, exit to the home screen and test in Notes. If you still hear noise, double-check you changed the Samsung keyboard entry and not a global sound set. Now test your change. Open Messages or Notes and type. You should hear no clicks. If sounds persist, reboot the phone to force settings to apply. Still hearing clicks? Go to Apps, Samsung Keyboard Storage, and Clear Cache. That often resolves stuck settings. As a final troubleshooting tip, boot into safe mode to rule out a third-party keyboard or sound app interfering. If silence returns in safe mode, uninstall recent keyboards or sound utilities until you find the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.